Hurricane Agatha hit the coast of Oaxaca on May 30th in the afternoon, forcing people to seek shelter. It is the first named storm and the first hurricane of the 2022 Pacific hurricane season. The maximum wind speed was 165 kilometers per hour. Agatha is the strongest May hurricane to hit the Pacific coast of Mexico since records began in 1949. It mainly hit the sparsely populated area of coastal towns and fishing villages. Heavy rain and large waves hit the resort towns of Puerto Escondido and Zipolite. In some cities, there was a blackout of electricity and telephone communications. The governor of Oaxaca said the army was called in to respond to the hurricane. Unfortunately, there are victims. The state is forecast to receive up to 500 millimeters of rain in total, and life-threatening flooding and landslides can still occur. Localized heavy rains are likely to occur over the next days in parts of southeastern Mexico, the Yucatan Peninsula, Guatemala, and Belize. And by the end of the week, bad weather will spread to western Cuba and southern Florida.